Hi, Wendy Patton here. I wanted to talk to you about subject to. A subject to is when you buy a property and the seller gives you the deed, but they leave the property they leave the mortgage actually in their name. The title is in your name, but the mortgage stays in their name, which means, of course, you've got to pay the mortgage, right? But you don't have to qualify for the mortgage. You don't have to apply for the mortgage. You don't have to put money down unless you and the seller agree to that on a deal. So a subject to is an amazing way to get properties without using money or credit. Now, what kind of sellers would consider doing this? A lot of sellers, just like sellers that would give you a property that's $50,000 under what it's worth. They're motivated for different reasons, and everybody has different situations that sometimes are hard to understand, right? Example, I always thought, why would someone give me the deed? I didn't know why they would, but I never asked for it. And a lot of times sellers are happy to get rid of that property and they feel comfortable that you're going to make the mortgage payment. So of course, you better make that mortgage payment, right? And then you can just take over the property, what we call subject to. And I do get a title insurance policy. I really recommend that. This is really key. I've got an amazing course on this on my website, wendypatton.com. If you have never done a subject to, a lot more to find out on that website.